walking. I'm going to skate park.
Look into the mirror's eye, see the soul that lies inside. Don't let others define your worth. Love yourself, it's your first verse. Take a walk upon the shore, let the waves wash over you more. Find the peace within your heart. Love me first, it's not too hard. Love me first before you seek the love that others might speak. For in loving self you'll find the strength to shine, to unwind. Love me first, embrace your flaws, they're what make you who you are. With self-love, the new dawn starts, a journey of beauty, of art. Spend time with things you love, read a book, watch stars above. Nurture the passion in your soul. Love me first, make it your goal. Cook a meal that makes you smile, dance in the moonlight for a while. Cherish the moments that are true. Love me first, let love seep through. Love me first before you seek the love that others might speak. For in loving self you'll find the strength to shine, to unwind. Love me first, embrace your flaws, they're what make you who you are. With self-love, the new dawn starts, a journey of beauty, of art.
The water very clear. Ay, parang sarap maligo. Nice. Ah, the sea is calling me. I want to run barefoot now. Oh my god, why like this? Hello, bird. Nice, what a nice view. Oh, I should have swimwear next time. Wow, mashallah. Very nice view. Hello, bird. Hello, how are you? Oh. Nilakada nila. I have to go back now. Ayoko pa sana pero may pasok ako. Bye! Uwi na ako. Totoo na to. Uuwi na ako. Totoo na. Uuwi na talaga. Parang ayoko umuwi talaga. See? Very nice. Napapasok pa din ako. Alipin ang salapi! Ganda. Hello! My original plan was to go to skate park. And then when I was there, I saw the underpass. So I go down dahil nakita ko si Nakabayan, bumaba. Ando doon ako sa may skate park. Sumunod ako, bumaba din ako. Ayun, paglabas. Ay, nasa Cornech. Kasarap. Maligo sana. Ay, kaso naman. Ang ganda. Ganda ko. Ay, nako. Nakatuwa. Sarap maglakad pag umaga. Kaya kayo maglakad din. Bawasan nyo yung taba. Bye na. Uwi na ako. Tunay na to.